now we're here in Transcendental Cebu. So the Bafang 750 watts e-bike conversion kit installed on my bike. Yeah, and we're here. I've already using this for a couple of 590 kilometers already on the odometer, and the bike and the motor is good performance, especially with the battery. Yeah, and stiff climb like this is easy pedaling. I'm just using pedal assist number 1 and using the lowest gear that I can use. Morning! We're here in Transcentral Cebu Total Highway, and yes, just pedaling. I started to bike 100%, so this should give me a range of around 60 to 70 kilometers using pedal assist number 1. If you want faster, you can. So we're here, Mag Peaks, 16 kilometers away. Yeah, steep climb here and sunny day here in Cebu Transcentral Highway, particularly Tap Cebu City. So it's still part of Cebu City, and where you can buy sweet corn and other veggies. Morning. Yeah. Tap Cebu City, Sitio Tugnaw. Yeah, and based on my experience, it's been 9 months using this Bafang 750 watts, and I'm so happy with my purchase. So happy that I could go longer distance and explore more, and also at the same time you can do some fitness. I say some fitness because it's already pedal assist. Okay, so we're here in Tap Cebu. What have been the benefit of an e-bike is physical and mentally healing. When you ride your bike, you stay on focus, and you need a strength and cardio so that you can propel the bike. That's the benefit of an e-bike. It's a combination of a mental and physical health. The final thoughts regarding the e-bike. The e-bike has a minimal maintenance, so this is just a mountain bike that is converted into an e-bike using a mid-drive Bafang motor. So that's my e-bike, and the total performance is okay and very comparable with a expensive brand like the Bosch motor. This is just the Bafang, but it performs just like any other, and for my needs, which is an adventure, which I usually go somewhere off-road and some steep climb, that's why I would recommend, if you're starting up, to have this motor, the Bafang 750 watts mid-drive conversion kit, and it will utilize the existing drive of your mountain bike. Minimal expense for the performance of an e-bike. Yep. So as you can see, I'm out here and exploring. The battery that I choose was an LG battery. It's a battery pack, 16 ampere hour, which performs 60 to 70 kilometers of a single charge with a pedal assist number 1. That's good enough for me. And if you have any questions about the e-bike, please feel free to comment down below. And if you have the same motor, the Bafang 750 watt PBS02, kindly share your experience on what are the tips to extract the best performance of the motor, as also the maintenance you're doing of the motor. So far, 600 kilometers has been happy with the performance of the Bafang motor.